Yeah. That's probably a little bit more than 5 inches. Gotta be careful not to bust my ace. This is dog paws on the. Bro, I haven't felt this walking in snow like this. I haven't felt this since I was in Chicago. And that was. How long ago? Very long ago. And the car's full of snow. Oh, the road got slushy already. Someone over there shoveling the driveway. What was on Jose? But you're gonna need more than that sweater, dude. You need more than that sweater. Go put on my jacket that's in the couch. No, Jose, pretty sure he had to go get his beer. It's crazy. Ain't seen this much snow. We was in Chicago. Not since I was in Chicago. And that's probably been about 15 years or so. Una troquita.
Beautiful day today.
Oh yeah. The truck start right up?
Start right up.
Start right up. That's good.
Yeah. Well, hopefully I don't get called out. That's why I have my other truck.
Whew.
Yeah, it'd be a big if I had to get called out.
Where'd my little man go? Is that you over there?
Yeah.
I was going the other way to look for you. I just accidentally stepped in that puddle.
Try not to get your sweats wet.
That's how unprepared we are down here in Texas. We're in Houston, Texas. He's out here in Jordan's.
The old ones are the ones that were giving me.
No.
I don't have snow boots.
I hadn't wore these lugs in I don't know how long. Big old toads. Today's the day.
Mom thought that that's gonna be enough for her plants.
Está bien, güey. Them plants are gone, bro.
Snow's on the car.
I know.
Look how deep my finger goes in.
Yeah. My hands are freezing. I gotta change hands. Swap hands out. Don't put your finger in there, bro. Gosh. You're such a savage.
Look, I made the headlights.
Está bien, llenito de nieve. Pues vámonos, porque yo salí por enfrente. I came out through the front, man. Look at that. Look at her yard. It looks cool, dude.
I was telling Robert, look over there.
That's awesome. Yeah. That's daylight. 2025 snowstorm, guys. Pretty cool. We don't get this down here in Texas. So we gotta enjoy it. You know? It comes with its ups and downs. Some people are gonna suffer. Some people's pipes are gonna burst. People are gonna die. A lot of things are gonna happen that we don't know. Thank God that me and my family are warm. And, you know, we have lights. We have water. And we're warm. Oh,
We got
the
mail.
mail. You've got mail.
It's still on there, look.
Get it, pa. Get the
There's a
stuff.
bunch of stuff still. There's a bunch of it on. Still on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go do it. Look, get trash cans. Yeah, pa. Knock it off. I went all in my face. It's pretty cool.
Oh, look, but I thought that was snow that just stayed on there. But it's fluffiness.
Yeah. Hi. Come on, let's go inside.
Why?
Cause it's almost time.
But it's fun.
I know. Let's go.
I just want to.
Well, that's 2025 snowstorm for you guys. Pretty cool.
Look at how deep it
I'm out.
is.